Students, today we consider the question number 6, exercise 8.3, trigonometry of NCERT book. So the problem is that 6 number problem, if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. We have to prove this. Sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Now the solution is we consider ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. So these are interior angles means we know by angle sum property in a triangle, by angle sum property sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So we get, since angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. This one given ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Then by angle sum property we can write this angle symbol also, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. We can write this one also. But in our problem, angle symbol not given, this sign not given angle, then we left this, just we write A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. We write down this. We know this from lower class. By angle sum property, sum of the three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. Now, in our problem, B by 2, C by 2, this A by 2, these are given. So, we dividing both sides by 2. A by 2 plus B by 2, C by 2, 180 by 2. We dividing both sides by 2. So this is A by 2 plus B by 2, C by 2 equal to 90 degree. If we divide this, we get 90 degree. So B by 2 plus C by 2, this equal to 90 degree minus A by 2 we get. We taking this on left hand side and taking LCM. LCM is 2. Then we get B plus C equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. So what we get? B plus C by 2 equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Now in our left hand side, B plus C, then sign given B plus C by 2 with sign. So we taking both sides by sign. So if we taking sign on both sides, taking sign, this is sign 90 degree minus A by 2. We get this one. So taking both sides sign, here sign, here also taking sign. So this sign B plus C by 2, this is remain same. Now this one, we know this formula, sine 90 degree minus theta, this equal to cos theta. The friendship of sine and cos, sine 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta we get. So this is 90 minus theta, cos theta. So this is 90 degree minus A by 2. We assume this is theta. Sin 90 minus theta, this equal to cos theta. Theta means A by 2. So this is nothing but our proof. So what we get? Sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. So this is the proof. Sure. So dear students, the solution is clear. The solution is very easy. Just dividing, you see B plus C by 2. 2 means we divide both sides by 2. And B plus C in left hand side, we taking this R in left hand side, A by 2 on right hand side. And taking sine, because here sine given, we taking both sides sine. And sine 90 minus this, we get cos this. And this is our proof. Now we consider question number 7. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So this angle given 67, this is given 75 degree. We want to write this angle and this angle between 0 and 45 degree. So answer must be lies between 0 and 45 degree. But this one 67 and 75 given. These are outside from this interval. So from this value outside this, then we write this answer lies between 0 and 45. Now solution is that this is nothing. Solution is easy. So here sin 67 plus cos 75 degree. Now sin 67 we can write 90 minus 67, this is 3 and this is 8, 23. So we write this is 90 degree minus 23. 90 degree minus 23, then we get 67 plus again 75. 90 degree minus 75, then this is 5, this is 8, this is 1, 15 degree. So this 75 we can write cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. So we write this. So this is 90 minus 15, we get 75, and 90 minus 23 we get 67. So this line is clear. Now we want to find the friendship relation. Now what is the friendship? The friendship is sine and cos. Sine 90 degree minus theta, this is cos theta, and cos 90 degree minus theta, this is sine theta. So these are sine and cos friendship. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sine theta. So we assume this is theta. Sine 90 minus theta, this will be cos theta, plus cos 90 minus theta, we assume 15 means theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. We know this. So this will be sine theta. Theta means 15 degree. Now what we get? Original angle is 67 and 75. After calculation we get angle is 23 and 15. 23 and 15 we get. So our problem given express this in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles 0 and 45 degree. So 23 lies between 0 and 45. 15 also lies between 0 and 45. So this is our final answer. Just express this result lies between the angle 0 and 45. We get this is 23 and 15, and this is our final answer. So this is big answer. Big answer represent this is the ending of the problem and solution. So dear students, this solution is nothing, just practice. Mathematics is main medicine is practice. Without practice, mathematics is very difficult. With practice is very easy. So if this solution is easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.